For dinner tonight, we're making Marrie Me Chicken. So we're gonna start by browning up some thinly sliced chicken breast. We have coated them in a little bit of flour with salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Once they start getting this golden brown crust, pull them out. Next, we're gonna chop up some garlic, as much or as little as you want. This is not in the recipe, but I have some mushrooms that are about to go bad, so I'm gonna add those in. Add in your garlic, a pat of butter, 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth. I'm doing water and chicken bouillon. Add in some crushed red peppers, a little bit of your favorite Italian seasoning, mine is Erlingo. Add in a little pepper. Sun-dried tomatoes, I usually do the dried one in the bag, so I'm gonna dump this oil out and dump them in. And then you're gonna wanna add in some heavy cream and some Parmesan cheese. Add your chicken back in. This is going into the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. Here's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Pair it with your favorite side. Tonight we're doing a garlic butter noodle, and enjoy.